I'm Bruce Parker, creator of the original hole in one-of-a-kind Driver Duxx. My evergreen entry features a mallard duck on a restored vintage laminated maple golf club. I've hand carved and painted the mallard head in a decoy style. Now I chose the mallard and the maple because they personify the ever-changing endurability of nature. From a tiny maple seed to a maple tree to a golf club, repurposed as a driver duck for future generations of memories. The red inset signifies the maple tree in the fall, the ubiquitous white golf tee, of course, the Canadian winter, and a green golf ball presents the promises of a new season of golf. And of course, the migration of all ducks is a constant reminder of the ever-changing cycle of life. Please join me in booth S-31 to view the complete collection of Driver Duxx.